In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Outlook. We'll walk through this straightforward process step by step, ensuring you can access Grammarly's robust writing assistance tools directly from your Outlook account. This integration will help you enhance your emails with improved grammar, clarity, and style, making your communications more effective and professional. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. If you haven't done this before, go to the Microsoft account page and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see various app icons. Look for the icon labeled Microsoft Apps and click on it. This will take you to a central hub where you can access a collection of Microsoft services, including Outlook. Next, locate the Outlook icon from the list of available apps. It may look like a small blue envelope and is typically labeled for easy identification. Click on this icon to open Outlook. If prompted, enter your Outlook login details to access your email account. This ensures that your Grammarly integration will be directly linked to your preferred email account, providing seamless writing assistance. Once you are in your Outlook account, look towards the top left of the screen and click on New Mail. This action opens a new email draft, creating a space where you can compose a message and see Grammarly in action. On your new email draft page, you should notice a small green Grammarly icon located somewhere within the toolbar or text editing area. This icon is the portal to Grammarly's features. Click on the Grammarly icon to initiate the integration process. At this point, Grammarly may require you to sign in with your Grammarly account to ensure synchronization of your settings and preferences. Follow any additional prompts that appear on the screen to complete the sign-in process. Congratulations! Grammarly is now successfully added to Outlook. With this integration, you will immediately start seeing suggestions as you type your emails, allowing you to correct errors and improve your writing in real time. You can also explore Grammarly's more advanced tools by clicking on the icon during your email composition. To make the most of this new tool, consider spending a few minutes exploring Grammarly's advanced features, such as vocabulary enhancement and style adjustments. These tools will enhance the clarity and impact of your email communication even further, providing you with the precision and polish required in today's fast-paced digital world. That's all there is to it. You've now added Grammarly to Outlook in just a few simple steps, setting yourself up for more effective and professional email communication. Enjoy the benefits of clear, concise, and error-free messaging right from your Outlook account.